where there's no one else around. We'll spend some time together, make a memory or two. Take me fishing, Daddy, so I can spend some time with you. Our minnows in a bucket and the sandwiches Mom made. We'll find a spot and settle in our oasis in the shade. The beauty of a simple life is worth much more than gold. Life always seems better when you hold a fishing pole. Take me fishing, Daddy, on that lake out west of town. Take me fishing, Daddy, where there's no one else around. We'll spend some time together, make a memory or two. Take me fishing, Daddy, so I can spend some time with you. Mama taught me many things, and she did it right out loud. Showed me how to live my life so I can make you proud. I learned the time that we spent fishing would enable me to know the way to happiness is knowing when to take it slow. Take me fishing, Daddy, on that lake out west of town. Take me fishing, Daddy, where there's no one else around. We'll spend some time together, make a memory or two. Take me fishing, Daddy, so I can spend some time with you.